have 12 clubs consisting, so one is a music club, one is a dramatics club, one is a sports club, nature club, art and design club, international relations club.
Yes.
I'm an executive of the drama club, and we have an annual play in the month of January. We also have an annual intercollegiate festival in Kaleidoscope where we get participants from all over India.
Spirit that comes into these performances is all about getting this college to win. And I remember last time when we lost Kaleidoscope, I was close to tears. I did cry. So this year we have to go and we have to put our best foot forward because we have a lot of new talented people around here. And this year we're going to win K-Scope, we're going to do well at Malhar, and we're going to beat the shit out of each other.
So, fest at college level is nothing like you would have seen in schools. Okay, so yes, the first time, right after we joined, a few weeks later, we have this orientation into Kaleidoscope where our seniors try to get all the juniors to join their teams for workforce.
Junior events every year, and some of the other things or the creativity we get to see is very good.
And it's like one of the most amazing experiences. You're on the stage and everybody has their eyes on you.
If you ask me to walk down sexy or like copy on the I wouldn't do that. And for Ashtri's performance, I had to do all of that, and I'm so much more confident right now.
One good part about Kaleidoscope is that celebrities come, like Shahid Kapoor came,
Kunal Kapoor came, Vidya And I was like 5 minutes late going to collect the score sheets, and I remember there was this huge turmoil where the event team was calling up my team and then shouting at the seniors saying that, your team members have not come to pick up the score sheet, and then they're calling me and I'm like, I'm going, I'm on my way, I'm running.
Being in the organizing committee, basically it kind of all the pressure's on you. So you learn how you have to work under pressure because things can go wrong at the last minute.
Being in the organizing committee, you hone a lot of new skills. I have learned time management, I have learned planning, my thoughts have become much more clearer. Being in contingent is fun, you get to participate, you can show your creativity much more.
But being in the contingent, you have somebody you can go to. But then again, there's the pressure of performing well since you're representing college and everybody has a lot of expectations from you. So it's fun being on both sides because you get to learn different things.
Get up on that big stage now, show the world just who the heck I am. Ever think that if it all goes right.
I'm an executive of the NSS Club, that is the National Service Scheme, and we basically work for the welfare of the society. The amount of hours that each year we have to complete is 120 hours, and only when you complete this amount of hours is when you get your certificate and an additional 10 marks to your
overall.
So there are a lot of tasks that goes, like a lot of events, and there are a lot of social work activities that goes throughout the year. And you can choose in which one do you want to get in, and it's up to you ultimately.